Sure, let's do it. But before we get started, I am not claiming that tapping can cure ADHD, but it is very helpful and effective to calm the ADHD brain when it's overactive. So if you're struggling with overthinking, procrastination, lack of focus, anxiety, low self-worth, and all of that stuff connected to ADHD, give this tapping a try and see how you feel. So before we start, rate how overactive or anxious you're feeling right now on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being I'm not anxious at all, and 10 being I am so anxious. Remember the number because we will revisit this scale at the end of the tapping. So put the starting number in the comments below, and then you can comment again the new number after the tapping. All right? When you're ready, let's get started. My mind is so overactive right now. I'm thinking about a million different things. I feel like there's so much to do in so little time. I'm trying to get through the day, but it's overwhelming. And I feel this in my body too. My body feels anxious. My body feels restless. These thoughts are overwhelming. And I feel like there's so many distractions around me. Even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I acknowledge this anxiety and tension in my body. I recognize that my mind is overactive. And I'm not judging myself for this. I forgive myself for being so distracted. It's okay. I accept that my mind is racing. And I allow my mind and my body to relax just a little bit in this moment. I completely love and accept every part of me, even the part of me that is anxious and distracted. I understand that overthinking has become a habit. But just like any habit, it can be broken. So even though I can get overstimulated sometimes, I'm learning to teach my mind and my body how to calm down. And right now, I choose to feel calm and grounded. I invite peace and calm into my mind and my body. I'm choosing to slow down my thoughts, choosing to release any excess energy, any distractions. I am capable of calming my mind and my body. And I'm embracing calmness, peace, and focus because I am safe in this moment. All right, take a deep breath in and release. Okay, now where are you on the scale? Did your number go down, which means you feel less anxious and overactive, or did your number go up? If it went up, don't worry. You can just repeat this tapping again until you get to a neutral number like 0 or 1. All right, leave your number down below in the comments. Thank you for tapping along with me. Follow for more, and I will see you in the next video.